Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. I'm here today to show you the 2019 Tige RZX3. We're here on the back of the boat right now. I'll start off with the Transom board locker. You can fit 2 to 3 surfboards in there. It keeps it really convenient and easy whenever you're changing out boards and riders. You also have a Transom remote stereo here to listen to music, navigate through your audio whenever you're anchored out in the cove, hanging out with your friends and family, just swimming around. Next, I'll show you the storage lockers back here. Underneath the subfloor, you got 3,000 pounds of ballast right out of the box, with an additional 450 on each side, making it 3,900, including the plug and play bags that go on top of the floor. Powering the RZX3 for 2019 comes standard is the 440 6.2 liter made by Inmar Motors. If you come on forward, I'll show you a little bit more into the cockpit. Here you've got a reverse seat to an observer seat to watch the surfers and wakeboarders. Stadium seating that comes all the way across. Another thing that Tige offers is through storage. It goes all the way from the back transom up to the front of the amplifiers in case you had slalom skis or surfboards that you wanted to store. You also have your swivel board racks, keeping it really easy to clamp. Makes it really easy. Coming standard for the 2019 is the E2 power tower. It's got RGB LED lights that go up the tower blades. There's a switch in the back that you press to fold it down forward for storage purposes, or if you're going under a low bridge. It's got wet sound stereo system that comes straight out of the box with any Tige for 2019. Moving forward, we're going to go into the Z-Cline captain's chair built by Tige. It's very comfortable. You've got 2 armrests on each side. On the dashboard, it's cut down low, so you have very little bow rise, and you can see very well through everything, making it your vision crystal clear for looking for other boaters out there. Here on the steering wheel, you have a smart wheel that does not move. It's got your buttons for cruise control, surf settings, your tracks, and your volume control. On the 10.5-inch screen here, you can control everything from your ballast to speed, rider profiles, everything you need that you're going to use every day when you're riding. Here above the observer seat in the glove box, RZX3 models come with the convenience of a battery switch in the glove box, so you can keep the batteries hot whenever you're finished using the boat. It's real simple to switch those off. You don't forget them. Sometimes in the back of boats run into that problem. Keeps it really easy. Underneath here, put a Yeti soft pack. You can use that or for your cooler, or you can put shoes, whatever it may be. This is a cubby holder, whatever you desire. Going forward, you've got the pickle fork bow in the front. I'm kind of a big guy, but clearly you can see you've got all the room in the world. So again, I'm Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Come down and see us, and we'll take these boats to the water, and I'll show you what they're made of.